Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Phillips 66's latest report, and it looks like they've been busy turning oil into, well, hopefully more money than they started with. Let's see if they're actually pumping profits or just spinning their wheels. Phillips 66 just released their financial results for the first 3 months of 2025. This report gives us a peek into how the company performed and what they've been up to. Think of it like a report card, but for a massive oil and gas company. We will focus on the main important numbers to understand the overall financial health of the company. The company announced their financial and operating results for the first quarter, which ended in March of 2000, the attached exhibits. These exhibits are like the supporting evidence for their claims, giving us a closer look at the numbers. This document is called a Form 8K, which companies use to tell the Securities and Exchange Commission about important events. It's like a bat signal for major news that investors should know about, like a big win or a big problem. This one is reporting the company's earnings. Phillips 66's stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PSX. If you want to invest, that's how you would find it. Common stock means you get a piece of the company. The report was signed by Ann M. Kluppel, who is the Vice President and Controller. Basically, she's one of the people in charge of making sure the numbers add up correctly. It's like the principal signing off on the report card. This shows that they have reviewed the numbers and take ownership of the report. Okay, now let's get to the part that everyone cares about, the financials. Phillips 66 also released supplemental financial and operating information. This document has all the numbers and details. Time to dig in and see what the numbers tell us about Phillips 66 performance. Let's look at how much money they made. Here we see a breakdown of their business segments. Refining and marketing is a big one. Tough in our time to zoom in and see how all these numbers stack up and what they actually mean for the company. Alright, let's step back and think about what all this means. How is Phillips 66 doing as a business? They are one of the big players in the oil and gas game. That gives them some advantages, but also puts them in the spotlight. The world is changing fast and people want new and better things. Phillips 66 needs to keep changing too, or they could get left behind. On the other hand, Phillips 66 has some real strengths. They're good at what they do and they're a big company. That gives them some staying power. They also know how to make money, which is always a good thing. But let's not forget the risks. Oil prices can go up and down. Government rules can change. That impacts the entire market. New technologies could disrupt the market. Phillips 66 needs to be ready for all of that. So what's the verdict? Phillips 66 is a solid company with a lot of potential, but they need to stay focused on the future and be ready for anything. It's a good company overall. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Let me know in the comments what company you want me to decode next.